Top 100 must-know front-end interview questions. Number 2. How to handle cross-origin (CORS) issues. First of all, cross-origin is a browser security rule. It only happens when the front-end sends a request to the back-end, and the protocol, IP, or port is different. For example, when you run both the front-end and back-end projects on the same computer, a cross-origin issue may happen because the ports are different. But if a back-end sends a request to another website's API, there is no cross-origin issue. Even though the IPs are different, the request is made by the back-end, and the browser does not control that. Once you understand this rule, it becomes easy to solve cross-origin problems. 1. How to solve cross-origin in local development. If you use the Vite framework for local development, you can use Vite's proxy server. The idea is to change the front-end to back-end request into a back-end to back-end request. The proxy server acts like a fake back-end. After the change, the front-end sends a request to the proxy server. Because it uses the same IP and port, there is no cross-origin problem. Then, the proxy server sends the request to the real backend. Even though the IP and port are different, this is a backend request, so it is not blocked by the browser. 2. How to solve cross-origin in production. In production, if the front-end and backend are on different servers, the front-end request to the backend may cause a cross-origin problem. But we can solve this by building the front-end into static files and putting them into OBS. Then, the web page requests the backend IP, and the backend gets the static files from OBS and returns them. So the browser only sees the backend IP. The OBS address is hidden, so there is no cross-origin issue. The backend request to OBS is made by the server, so it is not limited by the browser. These are the ways to solve cross-origin problems from the front-end side.